I'm going to give you a brief overview of our facilities here in Topeka, Indiana, as well as what you will be experiencing during our tour of excellence. Our 3 manufacturing facilities in Topeka are located on 55 acres in north central Indiana, the home of Amish country. The 3 plants total over 200,000 square feet of climate-controlled manufacturing space, ensuring that your home and your home's materials are always kept out of Mother Nature's reach. The massive size of our campus makes us the largest home builder in the nation, if not the world. Each plant is unique, and because of that uniqueness, we offer you a variety of homes to choose from. Single section and multi-section HUD code homes, as well as state code modular. Because of this variety, Champion Topeka is uniquely positioned to offer you a variety of homes to make your home selection easier. Our tour of excellence will be a journey of knowledge. The journey will be led by our zone managers with over 200 years of manufactured housing experience. They will guide you through an array of production procedures and show you a variety of unique features to help you make the best informed decision in your home purchase.